Peuple haïtien, comment nous est? Et je viens parler de président Café au lait noir. Pour commencer, président, ça, maman, c'est juif lié. 100 juifs là dans 100. Et 100 juifs qui dans 100. Ok? Kounya, regardez bien. Yo dit, et Donald Trump, c'est allemand lié. Vous voyez? 100 allemands coulés dans 100. Bon, Kounya, allemand, ça veut dire allemand te gagné. Hitler, c'est allemand lié. Et ça, Hitler te gagné, il t'a tué juif. Qui juif? Hitler t'a tué pas juif qui bon juif non. Il t'a tué juif jodi yo, qui a pédé tout le monde juif pour Netanyahu yo. Ça a pédé tout le monde yo, qui a pédé marché fait monde fait bagay massissi yo. Et le Hitler t'est venu, et il t'a un paquet de livres, c'est jeté livre, il t'a boulé livre parce que depuis là ça, juif te gagné un plan pour faire garçon tourner fille, il y a un livre transgender qui écrit. Là Hitler pas les boulé tout livre ça. Depuis longtemps nèg ça Satan. OK? Qu'on y a là 100 juifs dans 100 Obama, 100 Hitler dans 100 Trump. On fait le calcul là. One love.
So Hitler comes in, and the country's like a war zone. The currency is worthless. The economy is destroyed. Degeneracy is rampant. There's transgender stuff, licentiousness, prostitution.
There's transgender stuff back then?
Yeah.
When was...
That's why they were burning books.
Wow.
Those were the books they were burning.
Oh, I didn't... Wow.
Yeah, it's Mansfield or Hirschfield who had this like research center, and they were the pioneers in transgenderism, in early transgender surgeries, homosexuality, all that stuff. Like it was all coming from Berlin. And that's what the book burnings were about. They were burning all these research books about transgender stuff because it was like morally repugnant. It's the same stuff that's going on today. Everybody says the book burnings, they were burning knowledge. That wasn't knowledge. That was perversion. That'd be like if they started burning pornography. Nobody would say that burning pornography is some sick, tyrannical, like backwards. They don't want people to be educated. They would say that's filth. People blame what's happening in America today on the cultural Marxists. That's real. The cultural Marxists were all Jews that came from Berlin, that were driven out by Hitler. So when people look at the legacy of postmodernism, cultural Marxism in America today, it all came from Columbia, who originally came from Frankfurt in Germany.